Hi everyone, this is Nancy from Boldin, and I want to welcome you to day one of our Get Started series, designed to guide you in accurately setting up your plan. In today's video, I'll provide a tour of the Boldin platform. We begin our tour on the overview, which allows you to view the important metrics of your plan, such as your retirement chance of success and your net worth. Opening the left menu allows you to access My Plan, where you'll enter your assets, income, expenses, and other important information. Make sure to access the Summary page, which allows you to view your plan completion and easily navigate to any area you still need to complete. Below this, you can access the Milestones report, which highlights the important milestone events and dates in your plan. The next menu item is the Digital Coach. Here you'll find suggestions about your plan tailored just for you. And below this is Financial Wellness, where we answer important questions such as what's my savings rate? Moving down, visit the Insights library to view a wide variety of charts and reports intended to help you better understand your plan. And next up are the Explorers. These are tools designed to help you discover opportunities to do better with your money. The final section of this area is your Plan Reporter, where I encourage you to print your customized report and download your plan data. Moving into the lower menu, access Scenario Management to add, delete, and compare scenarios, the Boldin Classroom to join our live events and view our pre-recorded classes, the Boldin Help Center, which contains a wide variety of articles and videos intended to help you leverage the tool to its fullest potential, and press Community to join our private Facebook group and our subreddit, where you can learn from the collective knowledge of your peers. If and when you're ready for a little extra support, press Expertise to sign up for coaching or fee-only financial advice. Last but not least, press About to learn more about Boldin and access the release notes, where we keep you informed about all the great features the team is building for you. Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. I look forward to seeing you in Get Started Series 2, where I'll discuss the top menu.